We all have cells, isn't it? Now in figures, how many hundreds or probably millions do you have
60
in your body?
10 trillion.
Basically, it's already trillions. It's no longer billion. It's no longer millions. It's trillions, isn't it? And one of the famous cells is what?
Stem
Before
cell.
your inception, which one do you think is the famous cells? Any guess? Hinahula ko na po ito nung nakaraan eh. Hindi ba yung letter S? Exactly. That's the famous one. Diba? We have trillions of cells. Now,